you're frustrated with slow internet speeds on your 4G phone, even though you live in a 5G area, this video reveals the secret APN settings that can unlock blazing fast speeds, even on a 4G device. Go to Phone Settings, SIM and Network Settings. Select SIM card for new APN. Access point name. Click on plus icon, add new APN. Now put all important settings this page. Tab on name. Tab on APN. Username. Server. MCC or MNC is area code not set. Authentication type. PAP/CHAP. APN type. APN protocol. IPv4, IPv6. APN roaming protocol. IPv4, IPv6. Bearer. Now save all settings after check your phone internet speed. Please subscribe my channel, like, share.